Everybody, my name is David. I'm a Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. I'm giving you a quick market update. Things are kind of going as I thought it would. So I want you to listen to this because I put this up 2 days ago. However, I do think Bitcoin will hit that $58,353. How soon, I don't know. So I did say that, in my opinion, Bitcoin's going to hit 58,000 on 300 and some change. Right now, if you look at Bitcoin, you know, we went down to 59,000. Yeah, I think in time we're going to hit, 58, go under 59,000, go into 58,000 territory. And then we might have a little bounce. And the way how the chart's looking, it looks like that we have a head and shoulders going on. And what I mean by head and shoulders is, let's look at this chart. In fact, let's look at this chart. This chart is very, very telling. If you look, this is by Optical Arts. Notice the yellow line here. Yes, if you look at the yellow line, okay, Bitcoin hits the yellow lines and then it gets rejected. On the upside is, if you look at the yellow line down here, Bitcoin hits the yellow line and it gets, pushed up. The way I see is, and also you want to look at, you see this white line here, and when Bitcoin hit that white line, you had a bounce up. Now, do I still think Bitcoin's going to go into the 58,000 range? Yes. Because if you look at a lot of the charts, they all pretty much say, that's around that range. So if you look at that, it's around $58,011. But I think Bitcoin is still going to go down. What I do see here is a head and shoulders. And so if you want to know what a head and shoulders is, let me try to send this out. Okay. So here you have shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Okay. So you have the person's shoulder here. Imagine you got the head and the person's shoulder there. All right. And what normally would happen is, when you see that, it goes down. Is a sign of that. That's normally how this trend plays out. Okay. And so let's look at another one. Let's discard that. So let's look here. Once again, I want you to look at this. Same thing by Optical Charts. And yeah, I do recommend find them on YouTube and then, subscribe. So look at this yellow line. You had a bounce. Here's 81,124. So yeah, in the last channel I said like 83,300. But yeah, anywhere in the lower 58,000, right? I'm sorry. So I do expect Bitcoin to hit, whatever, anywhere between 58,000 to, 58,000, 200 to 300-ish, something like that. And then maybe a bounce. Now, if that doesn't hold, you're going to look at, that price figure there or lower, 53,000. Do I think Bitcoin's going to go down there? Yes, I do, because of the head and shoulders. Once again, look at this. You see a head and shoulders pattern. So if you see shoulders, head, shoulder, what you want to do is maybe the neckline here and the price up here is how much is going to go down, like that. That's what you want to look at. And so if you consider that, let's imagine we know the top was about 67,000. The bottom, the neckline, let's say, is around 61,000. Let's just say That's a, $6,000 difference. And so if you look at $6,000, 60,000, well, it's really more than 6,000 difference. But if you, let's say it's almost a $7,000, like $6,500 difference. Either ways, Bitcoin's going to go down like anywhere between, $54,000 to $52,000 if this head and shoulders patterns play out. So that's kind of, I shouldn't have saved that. But anyway, and so even here, you look at this chart, same with optical arts. Let's look at this. It bounced on the red. 59 is a bounce point here, but the other charts are normally around 58,000. And then it could, if it breaks through this green, it's going to go down to 53,000. Once again, whatever chart you look at, the prices are around the same line, just a bit different. And so that is what I see. That's what I see, Here, this was yesterday, you had 3 touch points. But we got to remember it's down. It went down to like here now. And so, the way I look at it, you have a classic head and shoulders going on. And yeah, do I expect it to play out? In my opinion, yes, it's going to play out. I don't know when it's going to happen, but a 50 Bitcoin, can Bitcoin go down to like 53 to 52? Sure. I think or 54 to 52, sure, that's all in the cards. And I think when that happens, maybe when Bitcoin's around 53,500, maybe I'll slowly dollar cost. Well, not slowly, but I'll start buying into the market, expecting a bounce up, and then see what happens after that. Now, what's going on with KOK-COIN? If you look at KOK-COIN, KOK-COIN is back at $2.90. It's up 2%. And this is what I said. I keep saying this in the other videos. KOK-COIN tends to be a pretty good hedge against Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes down, sometimes just KOK-COIN does well. It goes up. Bitcoin's down, over 3.5%. So that says a lot about KOK-COIN, but that's just because the foundation, the structure of KOK-COIN, the business model, everything is phenomenal. It's great. And so then, if you want to know why is Bitcoin not doing so well? Well, let's look at the DXY. Let's look at it from 5-day chart. It's still pretty high up. It's still pretty high up there. Let's see. S&P is going down. S&P is going down. The Dow is going down. And that's causing Bitcoin to go down. Because it's all correlated. The DXY. Well, DXY is going down. But however, in general, the trend is strong. Is more up than down. And so, if the S&P and the Dow is going down, typically Bitcoin is going to go down with it. And that's pretty much what we're looking at. But like I said, if you look at KOK-COIN, KOK-COIN is not very correlated to Bitcoin. KOK-COIN's and Bitcoin's price actions are, KOK-COIN normally outperforms Bitcoin. That's what I've seen so far in the charts. Just look at the chart. The chart speaks for itself. Okay, look at Bitcoin's chart. I mean, look at the huge, just huge drop. But not KOK-COIN. Nice. This is, I mean, this looks like a hyperbolic chart right here. So, all in all, for me, I see Bitcoin, going further down. You might, have some bounces where it goes up and down, but I still see Bitcoin going down. Now, I'm not your financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I think will happen. And I showed you the reasons why I think those things will happen and how I'm trading off of that. But I tell you one thing, I'm not trading none of my KOK-COINs. To me, that's solid asset that I need to be holding. And that's why I'm holding all my KOK-COINs while I just, mess around a little bit with the other altcoins and whatnot. For all of you out there, please stay safe. Okay, please stay safe. And the reason why I say that, because if I look at my news feed, I mean, look at this. Panic sweep across America. Okay. Oh, no. I wanted to watch that. Okay, like, I mean, it's just... Uh-oh. Stock up now. This could get really ugly. All right. So what I see is you have a lot of problems with the supply chain, and inflation's getting worse. The CEO of Twitter say hyperinflation is coming, so just prepare for those things. That's all I'm saying. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit like, share it with a friend, okay? And, all of y'all just stay safe out there. God bless y'all. All right, God bless y'all. And coke on.